Jamaica, you great. From the soil to the sky.
You great, yeah.
From the blue mountain peak where the coffee grow high.
Grow so high now.
Nanny of the Maroons, she never bow down.
Never bow down.
Sam Sharp led the people, turned the slave ship around.
Turn it around.
Marcus Garvey spoke it, Black Star on the sea.
Black Star.
From a compound town to the streets of Trelawney.
Trelawney.
Paul Bogle walked through Morant Bay with fire in his soul.
Fire in his soul.
The ancestor spirit still making us whole.
Ooh, Jamaica, you great.
Oh,
From the first to the last gate.
and we sing,
Sing
for the heroes who paved the way, for the freedom we crave, freedom,
freedom.
for the love that we gave.
Jamaica, you great.
Jamaica, you great.
Jamaica, you great.
Jamaica, you great.
From the first to the last.
Jamaica, you great. Great nation. From the cane field to the stage, you great.
So great, are you great?
Island in the sun. From the track to the studio, you great. Jamaica, you great when the reggae sound play.
Reggae sound.
Reggae sound. From Studio One to Tough Gong every single day.
Tough gum.
Bob Marley sang Redemption. Peter Tosh equal rights.
Equal rights.
Bonnie Wailer walk the black hard man.
Through the night. Through the night.
Dennis Brown Crown Prince. Gregory Isaac Smooth.
So smooth.
Toots made the world feel the pressure drop groove. Pressure drop. Burning Spear sang Marcus. Sizzler raise the flame.
Raise the flame.
Buju Banton, there is Hammond, everyone a different name.
Different name. Ooh, the music live on. From
Oh,
dusk until dawn.
ba-na-na-na-na-na-na-na, we sing
Sing
for the heroes who paved the way, for the freedom we crave, freedom,
freedom.
for the love that we gave.
Jamaica, you great.
Jamaica, you great.
Jamaica, you great.
Jamaica, you great.
From the first to the last.
Jamaica, you great. Great nation. From the cane field to the stage, you great.
So
Jamaica, you great. Island in the sun. From the track to the studio, you great. Jamaica, you great on the track and the field.
you great, yeah.
Heard McKinley Auto Wint.
They refuse to yield.
Donald Quarry flew the sprint like a boat.
From the blue.
Boy from the blue. Then Usain came lightning. 9:58. Who knew?
Who knew?
Shelly and Fraser, Elaine Thompson, Hera too.
So fast.
Veronica Campbell, Merlin Atty.
All came through.
Ball came through. Bob Beamer lead to the moon in Mexico sun.
Mexico sun.
And the reggae boy showed Jamaica, you great.
Yeah.
From the hills of St. Andrew to the shores of Portland, Portland now, we rise through the struggle. We rise through the pain, Lord. Jah bless this island again and again. From Marcus Garvey's vision to the flag we fly high.
Fly it high.
Black, green and gold paint the canvas of the sky.
Paint the sky.
Nanny of the Maroons, she still guide the way.
Guide the way now.
From trench town concrete to the light of day. Oh,
Jamaica, we love you.
ooh, 64 and we still true. So we give thanks for the freedom that we feel.
Feel it now.
For the music that heals.
Heal the nation.
For the love that is real.
Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love to Jamaica.
Happy 64,
Jamaica,
land we love.
blessed love, blessed love.
One love, one heart.
Blessed love, blessed love.
Happy 64,
Jamaica,
Jamaica, land we love.
blessed love, blessed love.
One love, one heart.
Blessed love. 64 years of reggae vibration, reggae vibration.
From Studio One to the heart of the nation.
Heart of the nation,
Bob Marley sang it, Peter Tosh proclaimed it.
proclaimed it.
Bonnie Wailer walk it and we still maintain it.
Still maintain it.
From the cane fields of
Clarendon to the streets of Kingston, Kingston town.
the spirit of the people, it can never be undone.
Never undone.
Dennis Brown's voice still echoes in the night.
In the night,
Reggae music smooth, everything gonna be alright.
be alright.
Oh, the legends live on. Their spirit lives on. So we give thanks for the freedom that we feel.
Feel it now.
For the music that heals.
Heal the nation.
For the love that is real.
Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love to Jamaica.
Happy 64,
Jamaica,
Jamaica, sweet Jamaica.
blessed love.
One people, one aim.
Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love.
Happy
to
64,
Jamaica,
Jamaica, land we love.
blessed love, blessed love.
One people, one aim.
Blessed love, blessed love.
From the Blue Mountains peak to the white sands of Negril. From the rivers of Mary to the harbors of Montego Bay. Jah bless this land, bless this people, bless this 64 years of independence. And we give thanks,
For the morning sun,
for the rivers that run,
rivers run,
for the daughters and sons,
daughters and sons.
for the battle we won. Happy 64,
Jamaica,
Jamaica, we love you.
blessed love.
One love, one heart, one heart.
Love, blessed love, blessed love.
Happy 64,
Jamaica,
Jamaica,
blessed love.
Da, 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 da. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Before God and all mankind, I pledge the love and loyalty of my heart.
My heart, yeah.
The wisdom and courage of my mind.
Of my mind now.
The strength and vigor of my body in the service of my fellow citizens. I promise to stand up for justice, brotherhood, and peace.
Justice and peace.
To work diligently and creatively.
Work.
To think generously and honestly, so that Jamaica may,
Under God, increase in beauty.
fellowship and prosperity,
One love, one aim.
and play a part in advancing the welfare of the whole human pledge the
love and loyalty
of my heart